Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be covering a stock that is really surging today. It's up over 30%, and it's just compounding on a run that was already being made with some big news that I'll be covering throughout the duration of this video, so make sure you stay through the entire video so you can learn more about this stock. The stock that I'm going to be covering today is Fisker. This is an electric vehicle stock that you may have known in the past as SPAQ, as it came to the market in a SPAC merger with Spartan Acquisition Corporation. I actually covered this stock all the way back when it was around $12 or $13, and it's now sitting at almost $30. So if you don't want to miss my future recommendations, make sure you go down below right now, click that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss any more videos and miss out on making any more money. Now just a quick overview of what exactly this vehicle is that Fisker is producing. Now they're not yet producing it. It'll be coming out in 2022 and it's called the Fisker Ocean. Now while this may look like your average electric vehicle to the blind eye, the really special part about it is that it's actually made out of a material that's made out of things like recycled plastic or even old t-shirts. I'm not exactly sure what the technology is that allows them to do this, but it lets them advertise their car as being something that's especially environmentally friendly, which is obviously big to anyone who's buying an electric vehicle. It has a range of around 250 or 300 miles. It goes 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, so that gives it that little bit of a sports car feel. It also has all of the interior things that you could want, like Apple Play, as well as that little iPad in the middle that you've seen in cars like the Tesla. And if you're wondering about whether or not it has that self-driving capability, you can see that they don't know exactly what kind of driver assistance technology it's going to have yet, but obviously considering it's supposed to be the vehicle of the future, it's going to have some sort of self-driving capability. Now that we've covered a little bit about the product itself, we're going to be getting into the big news that's been going on recently. They've had a couple of huge announcements that have once again led to that huge run that I talked about in the beginning of this video. Now, the first of those announcements is the fact that they've made a huge partnership with Foxconn. And Foxconn is a Taiwan-based electronic manufacturer that also ironically has a partnership with Apple to create their iPhones and iPads, and we'll get to why I think that's a little bit interesting in just a second. The other good thing that came out of this partnership with Foxconn, though, is that in that same announcement, they announced the fact that Fisker and Foxconn together would be creating a brand new, yet to be named electric vehicle to go along with the Fisker Ocean. They say that this vehicle will be completely ready in under 2 years. This tweet here by Henrik Fisker himself also sparked a ton of interest in the stock. He talks about how he's super excited with this collaboration, and he says, quote, "This vehicle is so revolutionary that we have to keep it a secret until it's launched at the end of 2023, and it might be too futuristic for some." And you can see a very rough outline of the vehicle in the picture that he tweeted out. I'm really excited for this, and I think it might even blow out the sales of the Fisker Ocean. But back to the reason why I think it's interesting that Fisker is partnering with Foxconn. Like I mentioned earlier, Foxconn is also a partner with Apple. And Apple has been getting into this electric vehicle space recently and looking for partners to help them work on creating their car. Perhaps a Fisker and Apple partnership is possible in the future. Obviously, this is very speculative, but with Foxconn, they now have a little bit of a link together. Another one of the reasons why this stock is pumping so much recently is your classic Jim Cramer pump. He said that after that partnership with Foxconn, he thought Fisker had the opportunity to make vehicles that were just as good looking as Tesla and may in some ways even be superior to Tesla at a far less cost for the consumer. Yet another reason why this stock has been going up so much recently is the fact that while their Q4 earnings report did not show great progress financially, it did show great progress when it comes to interest in their product. They had a loss of right around 5 cents a share, but once again, this is completely irrelevant considering they're not even producing anything currently. But they did see the fact that they had 12,500 reservations as of February 25th, and this is up over 400% since mid-October of last year. And the final reason why Fisker stock has been going up so much recently, and quite possibly the main reason, is a large increase in the price target. This article is a little bit outdated because it says that Morgan Stanley gave Fisker a price target of only $27. But the thing is that they gave them this price target before they announced their partnership with Foxconn. And today, after hearing that news, they raised their price target all the way up to $40 and said in the most bullish case possible, they're looking at a price of $90 a share. Morgan Stanley views their vehicle as being set apart from the rest of the pack, and they say that they have a deceptively low execution risk in executing their plan. This risk just became even lower after they confirmed their partnership with Foxconn, and so I suspect that's why their price target got raised all the way up to $40 a share. Now what's up next for Fisker? They already have the model of their Ocean completely planned out. They have a new car in the works with Foxconn. They have a ton of demand for their product. They're going to be working on their batteries next. This is something that Fisker has been trying to do for themselves for the past couple of years, but Henrik Fisker recently came out to say that they've given up on that. He said that they got around 90% of the way done and then realized that that last 10% was going to be far more difficult than that first 90%. And so instead, they're going to be searching for a partner in either the United States, Europe. They're open to ideas, but they're going to be looking for a partner to potentially put their batteries inside of Fisker cars. So if you guys have any ideas of battery companies that you think might be partnering with Fisker, leave a comment down below and we'll see who ends up being right. I hope you did go on to enjoy today's video, and if you did, make sure you leave a like down below to show your support. And if you want to invest in me for free and try and help yourself make some more money, make sure you click that subscribe button. But other than that, I'll see you in the next one.